Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, we'll be learning what is Form OCR tool and how to configure Form OCR tool. So let us first understand what is Form OCR tool. It is an open source labeling tool for form recognizer. In OCR training tool, there are some features such as labeling forms. You can label forms in PDFs, JPG or TIFF formats for extracting the data. Next, you need to train the model with the labeled data through form recognizer. And the last one is predict or analyze. A single form with the trained model to extract key value predictions for the form. So let's move further and see how to configure the form OCR tool. In the previous video, I have shown you how to create a storage account and how to upload the files. So just open a new tab now. Go to fort.azurewebsite.net. This is how the website looks like. On the right side, you'll be able to see the recent projects created. On the left side, there are options like home, uh, tags, and where you can train your models. And then the last option is connections. So before creating a new project, we need to create a connection so that we can access the files that we have uploaded. So just click on connections, and then you will be able to see here also the previous connections that we have created. So now I want to create a new connection. I'll click on plus symbol. Here you need to give a display name, description, and the SAS URL. So let us start. I'll give the display name as invoice processing. Now description is not mandatory over here. Next, it is asking us Azure Blob Container SAS URI. So unless and until you give the shared access signature URI over here, you will not be able to create a connection and access the files that you have uploaded into your storage account. So to access this SAS URI, we need to go to our Microsoft Azure portal in storage account. So in storage account, in the previous video, I have showed you how to create a storage account and then how to create a container and how to upload the files. Now on the left panel, you can see in settings, there is one option called as CORS. CORS means cross resource domain sharing. So here you need to allow some fill some details over here so that you can give a connection or you can access the resources from one domain to another. So what we'll do is in the blob service allowed origins will give us asterisk so that we can access all the files. Allowed methods, all types of methods we are going to allow it here. All the 8 methods we are going to just allow. Next is allow headers, again asterisk, exposed header asterisk, and the max age. So here we'll process as 200. We'll save this. Next, once this is done, we need to go to in settings only. We can see there is a shared access signature. Just open this, and again you need to allow some resource types. So you can see here allowed resource types, and there are some checkbox, 3 checkbox available. Just click on all these 3 checkboxes, and after coming down here you can see there is start and expiry date time. You can see the date is 9/7/2020 and the 2:35:28 p.m. and again the expiry or end date over here is the same date, just the timing gets changed. So you can just change the date and time over here according to your convenience. So I'll just change it to, and then if you come down you will get a button for generate SAS and connection string. Now come down, you can see your connection strings or URLs have been created over here. Don't get confused between which URL you need to take. Every time whenever you are going to access the connections or get the URL for the connections, you need blob service SAS URL. So just copy this, go to notepad and paste it. Now what we'll do is we'll go back to our storage account. In storage we'll go back to our containers and we'll copy the container name that we have created. So that is form container. Copy it, go to your notepad and paste that in your link that is before the question mark, the container name that we have copied. And then copy this URL, go to your OCR tool and paste it in your SAS URL. Once you paste it in the SAS URL, click on save connection. So now the connection has been established successfully. In this video, we have seen how to configure the storage account with the Form OCR tool. Thank you guys for watching this video.